Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we have Shashwat with us. He'll be giving a demo about dictations, flashcards, and some additions and subtractions, along with multiplications and divisions. So let's start. Can you please introduce yourself?
Sure, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Shashwat. I'm studying grade 8 and I live in Bangalore. So far, I have won 3 Abacus competitions, including an international win, and I'm always striving to earn more.
Right. Can you showcase your trophies or any medals you have won during competition?
Sure. So, as I said, I have won 3 Abacus competitions. So this is the first trophy. This trophy I have got when Sir held a competition, and even this one is from the Srinivasa Ramanujan Abacus competition, which was open to people from all over the world. Then this one is the international trophy. So I was placed first in category 3 with 100% in 4 minutes and 11 seconds. So yes.
Yeah, so that's great. Okay, when did you start learning Abacus?
So I started learning Abacus 6 months ago and I'm still on it.
What are you currently learning in Abacus?
I'm currently learning fast finger movements on the Abacus tool.
Right. So now we'll be seeing flashcards, 2-digit tenders. So what is 2-digit tenders? I'll show you. 2-digit tenders is if you open the settings and set any question 2-digit tenders, you can see 2-digit numbers will be flashing 10 times. So 2-digit tenders means 10 numbers will be coming one after the other after this much time. So this is in milliseconds. So if you set it to 1250, it means each number will be coming after 1.25 seconds. So this is called as 2-digit 10 rows. Now Shashwat will be doing 3 questions, 2-digit 10 rows, and I'm entering the name. Include subtractions, yes. I'll keep it 1500. So we'll be doing 2-digit 10 rows. 3, 2, 1, go.
66.
Okay, 66. Next one.
238.
Right, 238. Now we'll see the results. Right, both of them are correct. If you see the results, it's 1500 milliseconds, 2-digit 10 rows, and including subtractions. Right, so these are the correct answers. Yes. So this is about flashcards. In the same way, we'll be doing multiplications also. So I'm opening multiplications.
Yes, sir, ready.
Okay. Now we'll be doing multiplications, 2 digits into 1 digits. I'll be setting 5 questions. 2 digits into 1 digit. Name, Shashwat. Okay. Shall I start?
Yeah.
Yes.
40.
Right, it's very easy.
Yeah. 148. 144.
Okay,
82.
right,
420. God.
right.
360.
Okay, you got very easy. I don't know. It's
Yeah.
everything is random, but you got everything easy. Uh, yeah, all are correct. That's nice. So 2 digits into 1 digits, and this is multiplications. In the same way, we'll also do divisions. Okay. So divisions also we'll be doing set. I added this yesterday only.
Mm.
So this is divisions. Now we'll be doing 5 questions, just like we did multiplications. So 5. This time we'll be doing 3 digits into 1 digit.
Divided
Sorry,
by
3
1.
digits by 1 digit. And so 3, 2, 1, go.
82.
Right.
So can you hear background noise? 46.
No. No. Okay.
35.
Right.
63.
Yes.
75.
Right. So what's the time taken? 6
38
seconds.
seconds.
Yeah, 6
Yeah, for
seconds.
each
In that we
question.
can subtract 2 seconds. So all are correct. Very good. So these are the 3D into 3D by 1D divisions. All are correct. This was on the website. We have done flashcards, multiplications 2D into 1D, and divisions 3D by 1D. In the same way, this time I'll dictate the questions. So we'll go to additions and subtractions flashcards. I'll stop sharing. I'll just dictate the questions. 91, 98, minus 96, minus 39, minus 25, 58, minus 48, 95, minus 93, 66. Answer.
107.
Yeah, 107 is right. Next question. 49, 89, minus 56, minus 59, 83, minus 67, minus 28, 95, minus 13, 88. Answer.
181.
Yeah, that's correct. Next question. 98, minus 13, minus 28, 76, minus 77, 64, minus 84, 48, minus 31, 83. Answer.
136.
Yeah, that's correct. 136 is right. Now we'll be doing multiplications. 2 digits into 1 digits multiplications. So first question, 53 into 2.
106.
Right. 21 into 4.
84.
59 times 2.
118.
Yes. 31 times 3.
93.
Yes. Now we'll be doing divisions. First question, 176 by 4.
44.
Right. 225 by 5.
45, sorry.
Yes. 133 by 7.
19.
Yes. 284 by 2.
142.
Yes. 344 by 4.
86.
So now Shashwat is going to show the demo on the paper. So we have additions, subtractions, multiplications and divisions. So I'm starting the timer for additions. First row, 3, 2, 1, go.
Yep, done.
Okay, so you can see the time 30 seconds. 30 seconds for 2 3 rows, 10 questions. Okay, the same thing we'll do for multiplications also, the 10 questions. So now you do the multiplications. I'm starting the timer in 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes, sir, done.
Yes, so you can see 23 seconds for 2D into 1D 10 questions, right? Now divisions, I'm starting the timer in 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes, sir, done.
Yes, so 25 seconds, 26 seconds for divisions. No, 25 only, 25, 26. Right, you can stop showing it to me. Let's start. Now we'll be doing skills. So what are skills is, it's nothing but multiplication table. So if I say what is the skill for 11, it will be 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So it will be in that way. Now Shashwat will be telling the skill, which is multiplication table of some numbers, two-digit numbers. I'll start the stopwatch. He'll be telling the multiplication table 10 times. So we'll see how much time he's taking for 10 times. Now I'm telling the number. The number is 42. Start.
42, 84, 126, 168, 210, 252, 294, 336, 378, 420.
Right. So you can see 14 seconds for 42 skills. 42 skill. In the same way, I'll be telling two more numbers and we'll be checking the speed. I'm starting in 3, 2, 1, go. 54.
54, 108, 162, 216, 270, 324, 378, 432, 486, 540.
Yes. You can see 17 seconds for 54 skill. Now another number, the last number. It is 95. Start.
95, 95, 190, 285, 380, 475, 570, 665, 760, 855, 950.
Right. So 16 seconds for 95. 95 skill. Yes. So this was about skills, which is also called a multiplication table. So with this technique, you can uh, write the multiplication table of any number. You need not learn any tables if you know this technique.
I'm usually pretty busy nowadays, what with all the tuitions which I go to. So Sir has been developing a website that really helps me, as whenever I am free for even 10 minutes, I just open the website and start practicing. So one tip which I wanted to give is to be consistent. 15 minutes every single day is better than 1 hour on alternative days. The thing I really love about Pranay sir's teaching is that it's not by the book. It's by experience and learning. So if I take percentage as an example, sometimes there are huge numbers where we have to divide and multiply. So Abacus is really helping in that aspect.
Thank you for giving a demo.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.